I do advise you to finish watching this video before you start making them. Hello everyone and welcome back to Friends of Ood-Kind Media Production. My name is Delta. Today I am going to show you how to make my style of scrambled eggs. We already made some for Dr. Ood. He already ate some. What's your opinion on that?
I liked it.
So right now what Dr. Ood is doing is cracking eggs.
It's your video.
Why are you doing it? So what Dr. Ood just did is that he cracked 4 eggs. The thing is, if who you're making for, say yourself, prefers to have a lot of scrambled eggs, put 4 eggs in there. If you prefer to have not too many scrambled eggs, just put 2. Now, what you want to do is you whisk it. So you want to mix it until it's about this texture, but it isn't as hard to mix. So you want to mix it to where it's easier to mix, and it sort of looks like this. When you're mixing the eggs here, what you want to do with the pan is put a little square of butter about that size. You want to wait until the butter is completely done. If someone else is there with you, as Dr. Ood is here with me, please ask them to move the pan so the butter will slide around.
Whee! When you're playing Among Us and Black gets ejected. Whee! Don't stop me now. Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I hit the target.
I'm now done whisking this, so pour this in here. And maybe put the whisk in here. Oh, great. Keep the scrambled eggs just moving at all times, because if it doesn't, it's gonna burn and it's gonna be wasted eggs. So yeah, pour it into the pan here. I don't really know how to use it. You want to put some pepper in here, and that's about good. That's good. What we used is something that grinds pepper. You can use just your standard pepper shaker. We didn't have that, so we used that. As you can see now, it is starting to become scrambled eggs. Scrape it, and it starts to show the pan. That's when you can tell that it's definitely starting to become scrambled eggs. The temperature is at 6 right now. Sorry, I was making these. It is almost done here. You also want to sort of slice them up with whatever you're making it with. Oh, it's filling. When it's about this point, you want to turn it down to about 3. But if you are someone who likes it sort of a gooey thing, I suggest stopping about before this. How it tastes, and it's good. You want to still eat them while they're hot, because if they're cold, they're no good.
Okay, now do the outro. You can just sit down there and do it while you eat. It'd be funny.
Yeah, is it going?
Yeah, it's still recording. No, I never stopped.
So anyways, guys, that is how you make Ood Delta style scrambled eggs. If you did make these, I hope you enjoy it. If you did enjoy this video and you did enjoy how these scrambled eggs turned out, why not leave a like on this video? It really helps a lot, and maybe share it with a friend. That helps as well. If you really like the content that we put up on this channel, maybe subscribe and also hit that notification bell and hit all so you know when we upload our videos. Thank you for watching. Always try to be nice.
Never fail to be kind.
What? Sorry, what? Eggs. You mean those things?